Hello, cookbook friend, and welcome to the Cookbook Divas YouTube channel. My name is Katie, and today I wanted to talk about healthy, quick, and easy college cookbook. This is by Angelo White. She's a nutritionist and much more. I had to pick it up because when we did a review on this on our podcast, I was very curious. When I was in college, I did not care if it was healthy. I'll just admit it. I didn't, I wanted it to be quick and easy and tasty. That's all I cared about. So health wasn't really on my radar at the time. And I'm really, I was like, how could it be all of these things and tasty and appeal to college kids? So I really had to check it out. Also, my cousin he just started college, and I know it's a little hard, like, to transition and live on your own. You have your own kitchen, you have your own roommates, all that stuff. And are they even going to want to eat, like cook in the kitchen? But a lot of them are trying to save money. So there's so many things. So let's look into this. Let's see how approachable it actually is for college kids. I'm looking forward to it. I have a lot of hope. Plus there were tacos on the cover. There's a Bob Ross Funko. I'm sold, and I'm not even in college anymore. Hopefully it wasn't for my age and younger. Anyway, so we have in the very beginning, we have a getting started for part 1. Part 2 is breakfasts that don't come from a bag. I like that. Then we have simple soups and salads, sandwiches, wraps, and paninis, main dishes even mom would love, satisfying snacks, and sweet treats you'll have to hide from your roommates. I remember those days. Then we have late night cravings menu. So this is cool. There's over 100 recipes in here. So there's got to be something that's really approachable. I love this introduction. The photos are great. But I like that that's it. And college kids are so busy. They're studying. There's only so much time to put in the day when, it's like they've got their whole lives ahead of them. So I liked that she gives you, hey, here's why you should cook properly. I'm a nutritionist, and very short, sweet, wonderful. I think that's really helpful. And then she goes right into the basics. And here's kind of how you should plan your meals. That's really nice. Maybe you won't have the cookbook on hand or enough time and you just want to throw something together, but you want to be mindful. That's really nice. Also, as I think a lot of us know, you don't start off with a big pantry or even have a pantry if you're living in a dorm. You only have so much space for stuff. So she gives you kind of like things you might need in your dorm or your off-campus kitchen. Here's like things that are nice to have, but you don't need them. It's just very helpful, very cool stuff. And shopping smart, I needed this so bad. I racked up so much credit card debt when I was in college. I'm very lucky. I was working full-time simultaneously, but there's just shopping smart is super hard and it's not taught enough. So that's really helpful. Let's go on with the recipes. I'll stop rambling about my personal experiences. So we have make ahead breakfast sandwiches. So instead of getting those really crummy, frozen, gross breakfast sandwiches, you can make your own that are good for you and just better. And you can just make them ahead of time when you have time on your schedule. So she gives you even like the calories on the bottom, young people and their calorie counting. And we've got how much time it takes to make everything and the yield. The ingredients. So like if you're going grocery shopping, how many actual ingredients there are. That's very, very clever. And then here's your serving size. So this is how much it takes for one sandwich. She also has like a tip, which is so this is kind of nice. So like as a nutritionist, she's trying to give kids like better insight on the foods that they eat so that they're not relying necessarily on information from social media or wherever, the internet. So she says, like, don't skip the yolks. Egg yolks contain several vital nutrients and have just as much protein as egg whites. So very interesting and cool stuff. I think even I would find this handy for my own personal use, and I'm not even in college. Tropical chia smoothie, very simple. Let's see. Let's go on to soups. quick and easy chicken noodle. And then, yeah, it's the same kind of thing. Very, very simple ingredients actually, and not that much time that you would need to put into it. Let's see why though. It looks like so she utilizes things like frozen vegetables, or, if you don't make your own, obviously you don't make your own pasta. So she utilizes fresher and better ingredients so that you can, still have a healthier meal and use your time wisely. That's really nice. This is really cool. Tuna pasta salad. She even has here's, tuna pasta salad, but you can also use this as a tuna melt for sandwich. So I like that she gives you alternatives, other ways of using this so things don't go to waste. Let's see. The ultimate grilled cheese. Very tasty and super easy. Wow. Yeah, this is totally geeky and great. Chicken sausage spaghetti squash boats. Ooh, I would actually make this for myself. What else do we have here? Vegan mango acai smoothie bowl. Yum. That would be very easy to have. If you have a freezer on hand, like a portable freezer, that'd be really nice. Pumpkin blender muffins. So instead of having oh man, I can't tell you how much this is so helpful. Just blending everything together, putting it in an oven, and calling it a day. This only takes 25 minutes. So that's really cool. And she gives you a tip where you can actually put chocolate chips in it, or peanut butter, like a peanut butter spread. So that's really nice to kind of make your dessert just extra awesome. She has turkey and pepper pinwheels. This is really tasty. So she has you don't need to make your own crescent rolls. You can use things like Annie's or Trader Joe's brands, and that's really nice. Good tips. Maybe because I didn't know that Trader Joe's or Annie's had their own crescent roll, ready to go. So this is just a really fun cookbook if you got kids in college that are actually interested in nutrition and eating better, or trying to save money too. This is a good handy book. I would say Trader Joe's is probably not the cheapest place, but with her grocery lists and kind of planning everything out, even how many ingredients each recipe has listed on there, that's really helpful, because then you can plan your meals accordingly too and use the same ingredients up. It's very cool, very handy. I think I would actually use this for myself. There's a lot of really cool, fun recipes that I've never had, and that would be really fun. So this is Healthy, Quick, and Easy College Cookbook. This is by Dana Angelo White. Thank you guys so much for listening to this cookbook review. Make sure to comment and subscribe on your way out. We also do a blog at cookbookdivas.com for more cookbook content. If you want to learn more cookbook news or find new articles, new bloggers, check us out there. We also join us on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. We do a lot of stuff there, including virtual classes sometimes. And we do a podcast that publishes every Friday. We try to do weekly cookbook roundups. So we try to grab all the new cookbooks of the week and share them with you, and hopefully you'll enjoy them. So definitely check us out there. Thank you guys. Have a great week.